BBAI stock here was previously up about 20% here during last Friday. Going into this week, we do have earnings for BBAI stock, and so personally, I am keeping an eye out for a potential gap fill here towards the top side here. You can see there was a gap fill here towards $4.10 from our current price here of $3.51. If you want to compare the current price here all the way back up to $4.10, that is going to be right around a 15% move towards the top side. I not only think that 15% move up towards the top side is it, but I do think 454 resistance is going to be tested as well. It's going to be the 61 percentile on the Fibonacci retracement here, which typically does get recovered if there is going to be an overreaction here or an oversell, right? Here we are currently oversold, especially if you're viewing this on the daily chart. We've moved all the way back down here to about a low of $2.36. Now having a potential momentum move back up here towards that gap fill, like I said, 410. Then this resistance test here at 454. And again, from our current price here to 454, that is going to be right around a 27 or 26% move towards the top side there. So what am I viewing right now for BBAI stock? Personally, I think this is a dip opportunity. I don't think it's risk-free, but in my personal opinion, in terms of risk-reward, I think the upside potential is a lot more than the risk to the downside, okay? But personally, this is just what I'm viewing, right? You have the 200-day moving average here, right around $2.84. If we even dip back down to the 200-day moving average, that is right around a 21% drop, right? Now, take a look at the top side here in terms of a minimal price target. 454, in my opinion, is a 27% move towards the top side. You have a risk here of about 21% from our current price. Here is something I'm keeping an eye out for. If we break above 454 and can confirm this is a support level in the future, you have the next resistance here of 565. And if the momentum continues, keep an eye out for 676 resistance as well as $8.13. This sounds pretty crazy. However, in my opinion, it's already happened once where we had a test up to $10.36. This is a potential dip opportunity for those that potentially missed out on BBAI, in my opinion. We had ranges of between 296 to about 454 got filled here, right? A lot of buying pressure and selling pressure together here. So a lot of volume here ranging between 296 and 454. Then the moment we broke above 454, moved back down a bit here, and then we exploded all the way up here towards $10.36, breaking above these potential resistances. Now we are pretty sure that 454, 565, and 676 here are all going to be resistances to watch out for going into the top side here. So if we do get a stair step up, look to see if 454 can remain as support, such and such forth. If you're looking at these resistance levels, you want to see them being claimed as a support level. Like on a pullback, look to see if it can bounce and confirm to hold or close out above these levels, okay? So personally, my opinion here, looking for a move up to 454, look to see if we can close above 454, and then watch for those stair step up towards the next following resistances on the way up. Especially with earnings here, there could be a potential big momentum move up towards the top side. So personally, in my opinion, this is something to keep an eye out for. I wouldn't be adding a big position, but again, possibly a small position at a time for myself. Not forcing anyone to buy, sell, or hold. Just sharing my personal opinion here that there could be a potential big move here to retest our recent high here of $10.36. That is going to be a 191% move towards the top side. And again, of course, the probability of that happening might not be as high as you expect, but it's a possibility. And again, from our current prices here, it could be potentially viewed as a dip opportunity, in my personal opinion. Let me know what your average is for BBAI stock, and let me know what your thoughts are at these current prices. Are you buying, selling, or holding? Do you think we're going to test lower than $2.36? Because I personally think we bottomed out here, dipping below the 200-day moving average and then reversing back up to the top side. So I think this is a dip opportunity, and I think the momentum move here is going to continue going into earnings. Personally, I would keep an eye out for a move up to the top side. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments, and if you don't have a community yet for BBAI stock, highly recommend joining our Discord, link down below in the description. It's going to be free to join, and we have over 32,000 people. If you don't have a community yet and you want to join, feel free to join our Discord, okay? If you're looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options for multiple analysts, join our Patreon as well. We do have a 90% off discount right now for anyone wanting to join. It is a 5-year anniversary promotion right now, so if you do join, it's going to be a permanent discount, okay? Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll see you in the next BBAI video. I'll be making more BBAI videos as well, especially after earnings and on a weekly basis. So subscribe, turn on notifications if you haven't already. And again, if you want to support the channel, feel free to like the video as well. Thanks, guys.